folks, and welcome to this easiest way to learn C programming. In this video I will show you how to learn C coding in an easiest way that you can imagine. So what are we waiting for? Let's get started. So let me go ahead and maximize this editor, and as you may have noticed, I have this file created, ex77 _ memory-management.c, and I have also added these statements a while ago. So today we're going to learn about memory management. So understanding memory is an important aspect of C programming. When you declare a variable using a basic data type, C automatically allocates space for a variable in an area of memory called the stack. And in this example, I have here an int type, and then I print it out on the screen. So an int variable, for example, is typically allocated 4 bytes when declared. We know this by using the size of operator. So let's go ahead and run this, compile and run, and we should be able to see the 4, and here it is. So the size of int is 4. So let's go ahead and comment these lines. And as another example, an array with a specified size, like on these lines, let me remove the comments. And so again, an array with a specified size is allocated contiguous blocks of memory, with each block the size for one element. So in this case, since we have 10, the size of array, which is 10, if we're going to run this, we'll be getting 40, and here it is. So the result is 40. So long as your program explicitly declares basic data type or an array size, memory is automatically managed. However, you may probably already be wishing to implement a program where the array size is undecided until runtime. So that's called dynamic memory allocation. Dynamic memory allocation is the process of allocating and freeing memory as needed. Now you can prompt at runtime for the number of array elements and then create an array with that many elements. Dynamic memory is managed with pointers and point to newly allocated blocks of memory in an area called the heap. And just a quick note as well that if, in addition to automatic memory management using the stack and dynamic memory allocation using the heap, there is statically managed data in main memory for variables that persist for the lifetime of the program. Additionally, the memory size allocated for variables are different in different compilers. So if you're using a different compiler, like for example in Turbo C IDE, it takes 2 bytes, but code blocks or other IDE will take it 4 bytes. So it's also depending on what compiler you're using. And also for your additional information, both stack and heap variables stores in RAM memory. Stack memory allocated during compile time, while heap memory allocated during runtime. Only difference is if we know exact size of the variable, then it can be a stack, else it should be a heap. So that's it for this video, and before we wrap up, let's go ahead and test your knowledge on this tab. I have here a little exercise for you. So dynamic memory is, which of the following is correct? Is it the process of defining an array, or B, the process of allocating and freeing memory as needed, or is it the process of declaring function pointers? If you already know the answer, please put it in the comment section below. Thank you.